mainly to change our behaviors and practices to address COVID-19. Four practices are very important, I feel, at this point of time. What we can do? We can do a lot of things using our food and food raw materials, what we are using regularly. Hi friends, great to meet you all during this critical pandemic situation. Hope all of you stay safe. COVID-19 had given a great experience for all of us during last 3 months. So we had very good experiences and practices mainly to change our behaviors and practices to address COVID-19. We had a good practices like often hand washing, free from alcohol, forgotten fast food, away from hospitals, and exploring immunity building. Now Government of India is come with a clear statement that we should learn to live with the coronavirus for some time. But we don't know how much time it will take. But at the same time, we should be very, very careful in safeguarding ourselves and our community. Four practices are very important, I feel, at this point of time. Often hand washing, social distancing, wearing mask, and immunity building to eradicate this coronavirus over a period of time. So India has very good knowledge and has a great experience on indigenous wisdom on building immunity among the individuals. The sustainable behavioral change is the only way to eradicate coronavirus at this point of time. What we can do? We can do a lot of things using our food and food raw materials, what we are using regularly. That should be taken care very, very carefully, as well as we should take this as one of the practice in our life. In India, we have indigenous medicine systems like Siddha, Ayurveda, homeopathy, yoga, naturopathy, and along with our allopathic system. So we should be practice this integrated way to sustain the activities related to this coronavirus. So in Dawn, so we are doing a lot of relief activities for addressing this coronavirus. So we developed communication materials, we developed songs, awareness songs to disseminate among the community, mainly to change their practice and behaviors related to the coronavirus. So at present, so we are now working on how to integrate this indigenous knowledge and wisdom to our community, mainly for integrating these food practices among the community to build the immunity of the people. So in Dawn, now we take one of the pilot. It is called Sugam Health and Wellness concept, mainly for integrating this indigenous system as well as the local practices. But in India, in almost all of the states, we have indigenous system and local practices for addressing many of the problems we faced so far. During this time, we can take the same methodology for addressing this coronavirus too. So let us unite together to eradicate coronavirus, and definitely we will be succeeding it. Thank you so much.